you first saw the vehicle, how would you describe its condition?
That's a great question. So Randy had contacted me earlier, before I'd seen the vehicle, and said he was building a C10. I was like, that's great, it's going to be a fun project. And Randy brought it to me on a trailer, and at that point he had stripped it down and it was just a cab on the trailer. And when I first saw it, I was a little bit shocked, to be honest. It was rough. He said it was rough, and it was beyond rough. Literally full of rust. It was, to be perfectly honest, it was almost at the point of, do we even want to save it? But we did. We saved it through a lot of sheet metal from you guys, and a lot of labor and love and attention to detail, and we brought it back to life.
Majority of that stuff was pretty bad when we got it, so we had to obviously get a lot of parts and a lot of sheet metal, but that's what makes it worth it, I'm the kind of person, I'll never sell it. I'm handing it down to my son, the Marine vet. He's gonna have this one day, and it'll be his. He's got some sweat in it too. He helped me knock the rivets off the frame, helped me strip the frame down and get it ready to go with sandblast. I brought it to Steve on a trailer, painted fresh. The suspension had been put together, the motor had been set in it, just to mock everything up, and Steve took it from there.
A lot of people are drawn to the color. We have so many compliments, so many people asking what color is that, and like Randy said, it's a 65 Corvette color. It's Nassau blue. Randy's a big blue color fan, and he initially came up with this color, and so what we did was we took that color, we added a little bit more metallic to it, did a few spray outs, showed Randy, and he's like, well, that's the one we want, so we kind of just did our twist on the color.